So in the past few days with the new emotes on Roblox, there was an emote called the MOONWALK, and you could go incredibly fast with it, demonstrated right here. And I started to wonder just exactly how fast you could go. Just how fast could you push your little Roblox character to go with this emote? And initially, because I was doing it in Murder Mystery 2, I wasn't exactly able to gauge the speed. And in the few games that I could test the speed in, I was unable to get very of a good reading along with the time. So I couldn't exactly calculate the acceleration or like the final velocity of this character. So I decided to create a game that would allow me to measure my speed, time, velocity, and acceleration over a given distance. So, to test this, I made a Roblox game that has a 70,000 stud long test track, which is 19.6 kilometers or 12.18 miles long. And how I did it was I have 2 blocks right here at the 2 ends of a lot of base plates. So it's around 105 base plates total. I've done them down to 2,000 meters each, and there's 35 of them, and I use the base plates turn on their side, like right here, to give it the full length. And then, so there's the start block right here, and there's the stop block all the way down there. And I used ChatGPT to write me some scripts to make this thing work. So the first script I have right here, this one, what it does is it creates the GUI and the number, and it measures your speed, and then the start blocks measures your time, and the stop block will stop the readings. And because I don't know how to code, but I heard like ChatGPT was great for coding. And basically, yeah, it's pretty simple, and I'm now able to figure out the exact speed of it, because now I have my initial velocity, which is 0, and I have my final velocity, which is around 10,000 studs per second, and I have the distance, and I have the time. So now I'll be able to calculate out my acceleration with the kinematics, because I just learned kinematics in physics, so this is going to be pretty fun to see just how fast I'm accelerating down this race course. So what I'm trying to demonstrate is the acceleration example here, not the flinging that. So here I'm testing it on my map. You can see the timer starts ticking after I go past the green, and because I'm moving so fast, the Roblox server actually gets a little bit angry at me and starts pausing my game. But you can see that I'm very fast. Alright, so now that we have our data here for the speed and the time and the distance, we're now being able to use our kinematic equations to calculate this. So I'm using kinematic number 3 to calculate this. We don't actually even need the time. We just have the displacement, and we have the final speed, and we'll be able to calculate our acceleration this way. So scrolling down right here, I calculated the acceleration. So I put this formula in here. It's quite a large number, even for the meters. A very big number. Divide, and then I got the acceleration for our character in meters per second squared is 238.5. And then in order to get to the Roblox units or studs, I divide that by 0.28 because every stud is 0.28 meters, and this is how I was able to correspond to the Roblox speed. So this is very fast. Alright, so next I decide to calculate how many G's is our little Roblox character experiencing. He's experiencing 24 G's. Yeah, that's not very healthy. But he's a Roblox character, so he's invincible. Okay, so for fun, I then calculated how fast this thing would beat other famous vehicles in terms of speed. So you see the Blackbird right here, it's 983.3 meters per second. Your little Roblox character would be faster than that plane in 4 seconds. Like, think about that, that's insane. And then I did the famous X-15 Blackbird, the fastest aircraft ever made. Yeah, our Roblox character beats him in 7 seconds. Okay, and then now it gets a bit even faster than this. I did Voyager 1, which is going at 17,000 meters per second, 70 kilometers per second. I divide that, and our little Roblox character will beat the Voyager 1 in just 60 seconds of acceleration. Like, seriously, this guy is fast. And then, finally, just out of boredom, let's see how it takes 12 and a quarter days to accelerate to the speed of light. Think about that. That's Roblox. It's a Roblox, just a glitch with a 50 Robux emo, and that's like how fast it'll take you to reach that speed. So just thinking about that, just a small emote can get your character zooming around the map at 24 Gs is crazy. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I just learned how to do this in physics, and I decided to just apply it to Roblox. But I think this was pretty cool to put up, and I definitely put a lot of effort into this video, so I think you should like and subscribe and share. So yeah, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and share this video.